Hi, in this short video I would like to say a few words about the current state of the manufacturing of the LdreamM headsets. First off, I would like to show you that the 3D printed headsets have been collected already. So here are the headsets, as you can see here, and if I take one of them, I show you. Okay, you can see that the frame is already ready, and this is still not soldered, but it will be when the electronics will be implemented. But anyway, you can see already that something already going on. It will be the headsets. Okay, so all 17 pieces are ready, and there are still, of course, other elements which will be still soldered. This is the front part, it will be here, you know, and so there are the top parts which will be on the over the head, and so on, but they will be soldered only after the electronics will be implemented inside the headsets. I put them away for a while, this and this too, and I have started collecting the accumulator packs. All the electronics have 3 different batteries. They have to be collected, and here is the connector. So they are here, and I will do them very soon. And a very important thing which I just wanted to share with you, I have received the mounted electronics or the components, and we can see here the package. Here are the parts which remained after soldering, so they are the spare parts, and as you can see here are the PCBs with the mounted components, and as you can see here everything is soldered, mounted, or almost everything. Here is the back side, as you can see. I still have to do manually a few soldering. For example, here will be the Bluetooth module, here and here will be the electromagnetic coils for the magnetic stimulation. Here will be still the accelerometer and the battery connectors I still have to solder, but mainly it is ready. I have just received these electronics about an hour ago, so I haven't tested yet them from the point of view of the electronics, how it works, how the soldering were made precisely, but this is a very nice job. I can see it, and I hope that there will not be too much to do with these electronics. So this is ready, and I still have to, you know, on the next week I still have to cut them all to different parts and test them one by one and collect still. So it will be still a month. It will be finished, hopefully, I hope so, till the end of November, as it was in plans. I will do my best to do everything, but as you can see, so far everything goes by plans. Okay, this is for today. Have a nice weekend. Bye.